Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT's DALL-E image generation model to help retouch photos quickly and easily. So I'll pull up photo right here, and this is a raw file without any editing done to it so far. As you can see, the exposure when it comes to the subject in frame is a little underexposed. The face is a little dim. So let's see if we can use ChatGPT to correct that. So first we open ChatGPT and let's click on this plus icon right here. Let's click on create an image, and there's an upload button here that says edit an image. So alternatively, if you already found your file, you can go to your file explorer and just drag and drop that into the window. So now we're going to write a prompt to help adjust the image. So let's start with take this image and adjust the exposure on the subject's face. I want it to be a bit more visible and have an orange rim light effect. So I'll go ahead, press enter. So now ChatGPT is going to analyze the image for a few seconds before it starts creating a new one. And there we go. So this is the edited picture, and here's the original. Let's do a quick side by side. Let me download this photo. Let me open it. So here's the edited picture, and here is the original. So right off the bat, we can see the rim light effect at the hair has been accentuated. It's been made a bit stronger, and additional rim light effects have been added near the neck and chest. Other than that, the face is a lot more visible, it's brighter, and the picture overall looks pretty smooth. So that's a result I'm very happy with, and hopefully you can achieve the same results when you try it for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new.